Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to remove your A-pillar on a Honda Odyssey. So the first thing we're going to need to do is we're going to need to get behind this cap to remove a bolt. And to do that we're going to have to pull down on the cap a little bit with your hand just to create a little gap underneath here on the bottom. And that's going to just give us just enough space to get a plastic pry tool in behind there and pop that loose. You can use a screwdriver, but you're going to probably scratch up your plastic here. So you gotta be super careful. I recommend these plastic pry tools. You can get these off Amazon for really inexpensive. I'll link to these in the description below. But whatever you do, I probably wouldn't use anything metal. Try to use something that's plastic. That way you don't scratch it up. And then underneath there is a bolt. So just use a 8mm socket to remove it. And then go ahead and just get a hold of the plastic trim piece, and you're just going to pull out on it, and there's just some clips underneath here that will release when we yank out on it. And we got the trim loose, and then there's a wire right here that needs to be unplugged. We're just going to do that by pushing on the tab right here. The tab is going to be facing the front windshield. You're just going to push it on that tab and pull out on it. And then your trim piece is out. And when you go to put it back in, obviously you want to make sure to plug this in, but you want to make sure that these little prongs on the trim line up with the holes on the dash down here. You want to place that in first, and then you're going to want to line up these clips. You're going to look down the back of the molding and line up the clips with the holes, and then go ahead and tap it to get those to clip in, and then go ahead and put your bolt in. And you want to make sure your seal here on the door is on the outside of the trim. When we pop this off, typically these will come out with the trim, but they don't always. Sometimes they'll be left on the A-pillar itself. Maybe they're stuck in the hole. You can get them out by just using either your plastic pry tool and prying them out and getting them off, or you can even just use a flathead screwdriver to pop those out. And sometimes when you pop the trim piece off, they'll come flying off, and maybe they'll land on your dash or down in here. But they typically never break. If you do break them, again, I'll link to the replacement ones, but you should be good. They very rarely break. But that's it, guys. That is how you remove your A-pillar. Thanks for watching.